Hey guys, I'm giving you one of your first looks at the all-new TCL QM6K QD Mini LED TV. It's the brand's big reveal in the home entertainment category for CES 2025, so let's go check it out. The QM6K promises TCL's most advanced picture technologies ever, all engineered in the brand's proprietary labs. At the heart is a new super high-energy LED chip, yes, that's actually what it's called, and it allegedly delivers 53% brighter output and 67% improved blooming control. Another key element is the redesigned backlight system called Micro OD, or optical distance, and that could achieve up to an 86% improvement in backlight uniformity per TCL's claims. What this basically means, or should I say hopefully means, is great contrast. Of course, that's a bit subjective and we need to see lab tests to back it up with what we're seeing here, but overall there's a strong emphasis on the set's ability to navigate scenes with nuanced dark and light areas. Another new branded feature of the QM6K is called zero-day transient response, basically just TCL's way of saying expect minimal lag in the image. And paired with 144Hz native refresh rate and 288 VRR, I'm really hoping we'll get some smooth, responsive gameplay. Some other things that I think are worth pointing out here are Dolby Vision IQ, Dolby Atmos, and then this full view 360 bezel-less design that makes this TV look ultra premium. In fact, I'd argue that this TV looks a lot more expensive than it actually is, especially with this matte finish that's available here on the 98-inch size as well as the 85-inch size. Not a total surprise if you know TCL, but this premium technology will be fairly accessible from a price and size option perspective. We don't get to say this about a lot of TVs that we see at CES, but this one is available now starting at 50 inches for $750, and it goes all the way up to 98 inches for $3,500. The 65-inch size is at $1,000, which I think will have a lot of appeal, but again, way too early to come to conclusions. Let me know if you'd want to see a full rated review of the QM6K when we get back from the show. In the meantime, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our CES 2025 coverage. I promise it's going to be good. Let me know in the comments what your first impressions of the TCL QM6K are, and if this is a TV that you're going to be keeping on your radar. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.